Patal Lok season 1 released almost 5 years ago, so it's not an easy feat that people still consider it one of the best shows in the streaming space. And now it's come out with the season 2, which might just be better. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Patal Lok season 2. Patal Lok as a show has incredibly intuitive storytelling and it has such memorable characters. इस शो ने हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था एक ऐसे कैरेक्टर से, हाथीराम चौधरी, played with immense talent by Jaideep Ahlawat. In the second season, Chaudhary likens himself to a racehorse, and not in the hyper masculinity का metaphor that a lot of times these shows use. He talks about how a racehorse knows that ये जो medals हैं, जो शोहरत है, वो उसको नहीं मिलने वाला है, but फिर भी दिन बर दिन it just keeps running in the races. और ऐसे ही हाथीराम की जिंदगी है. It's almost like a Sisyphean existence जहाँ पे he keeps doing things, he keeps trying to solve cases, hits the ground running every single time. पर या तो उसके seniors उसका credit ले जाते हैं और वो वहाँ पे चाय की चुस्कियाँ रहता रह जाता है, या उसके juniors या जो जिनको वो ट्रेन कर रहा है वो उससे आगे बढ़ जाते हैं रैंक में. This entire time he is still there with his one handy scooter that he takes home every day. And yet this is the same man, this is the same character who has the reins of the entire show in his hands. The way that Hathiram is played by Jaideep Ahlawat itself is honestly so brilliant. It's almost like a second skin. इस actor और character के बीच में आपको ज़्यादा difference दिखेगा ही नहीं, and that's just the skill that Jaideep Ahlawat brings to this script. And even the character is so strongly written that it honestly just complements the actor's strengths. My favorite thing about this character, especially in the physicality of the actor, is that he kind of imbibes the monotony of a job that's well done but rarely appreciated into him. Patal Lok जैसा show है या जिस genre में वो है, police procedural, expected to be loud and brash, but it's not. There is an almost simmering intensity to it. It's quiet, it's immersive, and yet the entire time it does not let you rest. कहीं पे ऐसे scenes होंगे where you're like, ठीक है, let's be lulled into this false sense of calm. Instantly in the next they will go right back into the police procedural, fully putting you in the heat of the moment, and you feel so kind of jarred out of your space and in the best way possible. First season में इमरान अंसारी का जो character था, played by Ishwaq Singh, he was being trained by Chaudhary, but now he is an ACP and he ropes him into a very high profile murder investigation. Jonathan Thom, a key player in Nagaland's politics, is found murdered before a business summit in Delhi. Now this takes the investigation straight into Nagaland. अब ये एक बहुत ही important challenge present करता है for the makers and the writers, क्योंकि Indian cinema historically hasn't always viewed Nagaland or its neighboring states with the best lens. So there is this kind of pressure that there should be of nuance and of sensitivity and that kind of tonal balance that you require for a story like this. Very fortunately, the makers and writers of Patal Lok have found that balance. The writing very expertly touches upon the region's history and the politics, all while keeping a very sensitive lens. When Ansari and Chaudhary make it to Nagaland, they are greeted by SP Meghna Barua, played by Tilotama Shome, जो उनको starting से ही ये realize करवा देती है कि उनके जो usual methods हैं वो यहाँ काम नहीं करने वाले हैं. She is a part cop, part diplomat, and obviously that puts her in a very big kind of contrast to both these characters. There's Ansari, जिसके लिए protocol सब कुछ है. He's a stickler for protocol, वो हर चीज रूल से करता है. And then there's Hathiram Chaudhary, who has learned कि कहीं पे sometimes brute force is what he uses before he even says the first word. And then there's this character of Barua. I really like the kind of interactions that exist between all of them, वो जितने भी कम time के लिए हो. The character, however, isn't written very well, or maybe it's that it's not as complex as the other characters, but Tilotama Shome's performance saves it. आपकी जो भी flaws character में देखने को मिलेंगे, वो उनके performance की वजह से honestly छूमंतर हो जाते हैं. With every beautifully structured frame, Patal Lok becomes much more than the murder that it was about. It becomes about the politics, it becomes about people, and more importantly self-preservation. ये जो business summit है, acts like a starting point, और यहाँ से हमें देखने को मिलता है how any person that enters the system or becomes a cog in the system must either find a way to get power or they will be chewed out by the system, and by this chewing out, the minimum thing that they will lose is their individuality, or at much worse, much more. Patal Lok एक ऐसा rare show है, especially in this genre, जिसके makers और writers को ये समझ है कि it is very important to find the balance between the professional and personal lives of your protagonist, and they do find that balance. Hathiram Chaudhary एक ऐसा character है who has either reluctantly accepted कि यही उसकी जिंदगी है, or he has realized that he is powerless to actually fight his reality, and yet the entire time he is still dealing with the guilt and grief of not being able to give his wife Renu, played by Gul Panag, a better life. Renu, who does desire this better life and wants to do better for herself, is actually also such a brilliantly written character. Because there is this one confrontation scene which genuinely might be one of my favorite scenes in season 2, जहाँ पे they're both in an argument, and you see just in their body language, in the things that they're saying, the actual layers and the depth to their characters. The tremble in his voice or his body language comes from barely contained grief grief जिसके लिए उसके पास कोई outlet नहीं है, and he's just blaming anyone that he can see. And the tension in her eyes, the indignance in her eyes comes from an exhaustion that's just come from a dissatisfied existence, but yet there is a loyalty that she has for her husband, for the life that they are sharing. And even in her mere presence, she's comforting for Chaudhary. और ये जो सारे details हैं are just so brilliant to watch. But then again, you're kind of getting into this quiet domesticity, and then the show is like, नहीं, यहाँ बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. There is very high stakes thing going on. And this is the magic of Paatal Lok. I genuinely think that it is a masterpiece in kind of fictional storytelling. They understand the balance. They understand कि एक tension scene को कितना खींचना है. They understand कि एक slow scene को आप कितना खींच सकते हो before audience lose interest. And yes, there are particular scenes or threads that don't get properly fleshed out. But sure, these are very minor flaws in the face of what is a very, very good show. There are a lot of characters in Paatal Lok season 2. Then there are old faces that we see, Anurag Arora for instance, or Nikita Grover, who personally I love as the character Manju. And then there are many new faces, especially owing to its setting being shifted to Nagaland. And I think the casting for each and every character is pitch perfect. I apologize in advance if I'm butchering any of these names, but then there's Mirunla Imsong, who plays a very key suspect, and her performance, confidence, stirring, absolutely brilliant to see on the screen. भले ही वो kind of narrative में आती जाती रहती हैं, every time she's on screen she is memorable. And then there are two very major players played by Elsie Sekhos and Roselle Mero, who play the characters Ruben and Asenla Thom. Both performances so good, especially in the way that they can create tension on screen. There are moments, especially when they're interacting with each other, जहाँ ज़्यादा बोला नहीं जा रहा है, they're just looking at each other, or someone is having an outburst. Every scene again just performed to perfection. There are a lot of faces in this show that I have not mentioned by name, but that doesn't mean कि उनका role बिल्कुल भी कम था in making this show as successful as it is. It's just every person, every single person on screen, even if you see them for a few seconds, does their job so well. From pineapple sellers to drug dealers to a sniper to a politician to protesters, there is so much happening in this show, and yet the entire time the show is coming from a very honest place, a very empathetic place. It would have been easy to take the easy way out and say कि हाँ ये एक aggressor है and this is our protagonist and they're going to neutralize the threat. But the show doesn't do that, because Paatal Lok season 2 as a show, the creators, the writers, all of them are braver than that. They're much braver than taking that easy way out, and that is what makes Paatal Lok again so special. It's almost a devastating watch because of how well it's made. So honestly, आप खुद ही सोचो, you have a show जहाँ पे there are memorable characters like Hathiram Chaudhary. There is an exploration of grief, greed, personal gain, politics and history of a place like Nagaland, a fictional storytelling that I have rarely ever seen before, and then there is the stirring background score and striking camera work that kind of makes you forget the need for a POV, and that is the show that Paatal Lok season 2 is. तो जो भी कहीं इधर-उधर flaws हैं, where you're like, okay, this could have been better, or that you're like, हाँ, it's not exactly like season 1, you'll forget all of it by the end of it, even though it's like 8 episodes long with almost 40 minutes each. And that is why my rating for Paatal Lok season 2, especially because of its brilliant performances, is 4 stars out of 5.